Good afternoon, parents and students. I know several of you are excited about getting into Zearn and you are wondering about the Zearn website. I'm going to show you how you can get to Zearn and work on Zearn lessons. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you're in Clever. I've loaded up my Clever web page. Mine looks a little bit different from yours because I am a teacher, but whether you're a teacher or a student, once you're in Clever, you see different icons. If you're in Miss Dowell's class, I've made a special icon that says Miss Dowell. It has my Bitmoji face and it says Miss Dowell. If you see that black icon, please click on Miss Dowell's page. And I've added some websites that we do use in class. The one with the light bulb is Zearn. So when you're trying to get onto Zearn, first you'll go to Miss Dowell's page, then you'll click the light bulb. As I click the light bulb, the Zearn website is loading up and I'm going to sign in as if it's my first time to ever sign into Zearn. If I have not been here before and I have to sign in for the first time, I'll have to get attached to a class. So I've made up a student number that was not being used, and I made up a student. So the first thing you would type is your 6-digit student number. My imaginary student that I'm pretending to be, their 6-digit number is 408275. And then when you go to password, you'll type in your birthday. And so perhaps this student is a first grade student born in 2014. They'll type in their birthday. But all 8 digits. So they were born in February, they're typing 02 for the February, 2 digits for the date, 4 digits for the number, just like we do for Clever. So student number and 8-digit birthday. Then I'm going to go to sign in. Now, when it asks for your class code, before you put it in, make sure you do see your name, that I've spelled your name correctly and you are the correct person. The class code for Miss Dowell's class is whoops, let me click on that. Oh, if something pops up and it asks if you want to save your password, if this is your device and you don't share this device with anyone else in your family, it's your school device, it's just for you, you can go ahead and save your password so that next time you'll be able to log in faster. I am not going to save mine though because I don't usually use this login. This is just an imaginary login. But if you want to save your password, you may. I'm going to type in our class code. Our class code is EJ7J7R. So that's EJ7J7R, and you'll see it's Miss Dowell's class. I am Sally and I am in Miss Dowell's class, so I'm going to click join class. And you'll see that I am ready to go with super fun games. Now, the lesson that I'm starting on is lesson 29, which is a lesson we are just about to do in math class. Not tomorrow, but maybe on Monday. And so these lessons are going to line up with lessons you're actually doing in class. Most of you will, I've started you at a number that's before lesson 29. Numbers that are matching the units we're actually doing in class. But before you can do your lesson, you do get to do fun math games. And you'll see there are things like Number Gym, and it's a really fun time to spend on Zearn. But that's how you sign in. If you've never been into Zearn before, do be mindful that iReady Math is still your required math assignment. You still have to complete at least 45 minutes and 2 lessons in iReady Math. But those students who choose free choice, they will get to go to Zearn in addition to their iReady Math and do some learning in Zearn. So I hope this video helps you see how you can log into Zearn if you've never been in Zearn before. If you are not able to log into Zearn, that is okay. Zearn is an optional website. You're not getting a grade on Zearn. It's just something you can do that helps you learn what we are working on in math. There are 3 friends who I was unable to make a password for out of their student number. So if you are Paris, Rocky, or Eatsy and you try to log in, It may be that you've already done some work with your kindergarten teacher, so you would, if you've already logged in and you already have your own Zearn account, you'll just type in Miss Dowell's code EJ7J7R. But for my friends Paris, Rocky, and Etsy, if you do have trouble logging in, write back to me and let me know, and I'll let you know a separate password you can try using in case it doesn't work. Bye guys, have fun on Zearn.
There were 6 kites flying in the park. 4 kites got caught in a tree. How many kites were still flying? Let's make a picture. There were 6 kites flying in the park. Show the 6 kites flying in the park. Here are 6 kites flying in the park. 4 of these kites got caught in a tree.